I am almost out of my 3-ingredient homemade eco-friendly dishwashing detergent, so let's make a new batch and go over some questions from the last video. The first thing we're going to need for this is a container with a sealing lid. Some people in the comments had mentioned that theirs clumped up on them and they had put theirs in a container without a sealing lid and moisture was able to get in. So we can avoid that by choosing the right container. The first of our 3 ingredients is sodium carbonate, not to be confused with sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. This is what breaks down the grease and food particles. It's also known as washing soda and can be made from sodium bicarbonate, and I have a video on how to do that in this playlist. The second ingredient is sodium percarbonate, which is the main active ingredient in OxiClean, and it is an eco-friendly oxygen bleach. And last but not least, sodium citrate, which is not to be confused with citric acid. This softens the water and makes the other ingredients work better. Which leads me to another common question. If I have a water softener, can I leave the sodium citrate out? And the answer is no. If you do that, your dishes will come out cloudy. Another common question was how much of this do you use per load? And the answer to that was in the original video, but it is 1 tablespoon. And the most common questions were how much does this save you per load, or how much does this cost per load? And the answer to that is going to vary considerably depending on your location and where you're buying from, but I can share with you how much it costs me. Based on making 2,500 grams of this, that cost me $19.19. From that, with each load being 18.3 grams, as you can see here, that means I get 136 and change loads out of this one batch, which makes for 14 cents per load. And I was paying 39 cents per load for the pre-made, so that is a 25 cent per load savings.